chocolate babies, welcome back to another YouTube video with your girl dipped in chocolate, and I'm here with another school tip for you guys. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Turn on that post notification bell to be notified when I upload another video for you guys. So today we'll be talking about grade 8. So I'm giving you tips for grade 8. So all the students who are in grade 8 right now, or the students who are in grade 7 to go into grade 8 this year September, this video is for you guys. Don't forget to spam the comment section with what you think about my tips and strategies of each grade. So grade 8 for me personally was a rough year, because that year was when I went into some bad company, bad crowd, and that affected me. But the first year of grade 8 wasn't too bad, because I have a lot of self-confidence and self-motivation. Yes, I can self-motivate myself. So I was like, in the last year of grade 7, I came fourth, as I told you in the previous video. So the first year of grade 8, I did my work, I did my thing. In the first year, I started getting myself together in terms of school and all of that. And my mother was a very good motivator for me, and I love to see when she's happy. So I tried my best to put a smile on her face. So I came fourth, and I don't think she was pleased with it, because she know I could do better, right? So you have parents who know you can do better. So she wasn't pleased with it, and I didn't like to see a frown on her face. So I came first in the first year of grade 8, guys. So I self-motivated myself alongside with the encouragement of my mother. So I came first in the first year. Then the second term, I was slacking. It's like every first term I am good, I am great, but in the second term I just get comfortable and complacent. So in the second term I became complacent and comfortable because I got in the wrong crowd again. In the previous video I told you about wrong crowd. I got in the same crowd again. Just tell me now, me not here. So I got in the bad crowd again and started not going to class more while. I school class about 30 minutes, and then I go in, but I late for school, no one participate, give teacher attitude. Grade 8 was the first time I ever got a detention. I got a detention because the teacher was saying something to me, and I wanted to be smart, I wanted to be cool, so I answer her back. The teacher would have said sit down, or no, she said to me to go outside, and I said why you don't go outside, or something like that. I said to her, and I said, Jesus please, why I said that? And she gave me a detention, and then she talked to me and she said, Makhalia, you are brighter, you are bigger than this. Why are you letting whatever's going on? She don't know what's going on. She don't know that I'm following people, you know. So she said, whatever is going on, you need to stop it right now because you're a brilliant child. And I was like, it's not true, you know. But me know it's not true, but me not accept the truth. So grade 8 was like a roller coaster in the second term. And then I came sixth in my class, and I know my parents wasn't happy about that because they know that I'm a brilliant child. If I put my mind to something, I will, and I can succeed, and I can come out on top because I have the ability. Let me just give you a little motivational speech. You see, some parents never have. Some people who are watching now gonna have mothers like mine. You're not gonna have mother who say, see you can do it, I know you can do it. And if you don't put out the full potential, your parents are gonna sad or something. When me come nothing less than first, second or third, my mother begs. She begs. Even though if me come fourth, fifth, she not gonna really like Oh, my friend, I say, don't, she not stay so, but she not gonna show me the hyper excitement if I come first, second, or third, especially if I come first. So I come first in my class, she buy me anything I want. So she say she love education. She love when she see say our money now go to waste. And some of you students, some of you who are watching this right now, you're wasting your parents' money and you're wasting your parents' time because you know come to school and not do certain things. I'm going to tell you another story. So recently I saw a video going around with a boy watching a pornographic video in class. And I'm saying, just imagine if you are a parent and you see that video of your child watching a pornographic video in school, in class, in their uniform, how would you feel? So, no, I'm trying to say to you guys that you cannot come to school and waste time and waste money and your parents' efforts, because you have a lot of parents out there. I can tell you personally, my personal experience, you have a lot of parents out there who do not care about the child. You're a business boy, you have parents on a business, and you have a parent who cares for you, who send you to school, make sure say you have clothes, shoes, food, lunch money, everything. I make sure so you look good for coming to school. I don't think you should be coming to school wasting your time, wasting your parents' time, wasting the teacher's time, because when you come to school and misbehave, a teacher would take about 10 minutes to settle down the class and settle down you, because you always gonna have this one bad pitney in the class who are carrying the crowd in the class. They call him ringleader, and I don't want anybody who's watching my channel right now to be a ringleader in a class, and the ringleadership is about negativity. I want everybody who is under the hearing of my voice to be a positive leadership, because when you are impacting a crowd, the effect that you have on the crowd can be either positive or negative. And if you have a negative impact on the crowd or a positive impact on the crowd, yeah, like I don't understand how people can have such a great impact and 90% of that impact or 100% of that impact you're having on something is negativity. If you get famous today, what would you do with your fame? What would you do with your fame? You try to impact the crowd that you are having the effect on positively so that it can be better, right? So I was following some rude kids were rude and teach. Yeah, you ever have this child in the class where due to all them rude, the teacher not pay them the mind, them people them may follow. Them so rude and disrespectful that the teacher just don't pay them no mind at all. And those were the children that I was following. And I looked in myself and I was like, no sir, this don't look good. You come 6. You come from 1st to 6th. Look how far that there. Look how far this there. Look how far that there. That's far. You can't drop back so far. Not even 3rd, 6th. So I said, no man, I have to shake up my folly ground. And some of you guys, you need to shake up your folly ground, because you see the other grade that I'm going to talk about, grade 9. Grade 9 is the here where you find yourself, where you find what you want to be in the future. Who do you want to be? Who do you want people to see you as? So I hope you guys like this video, because I know I talked about a lot. I spoke on a lot in this video. So don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and turn that post notification bell to be notified. And guys, don't forget to study, pay attention in class, leave a positive impact on the crowd that you have an effect on, and make your parents proud. And 5th, don't be at school watching any pornographic videos or anything you know is not suitable for school, for class. Anything that is going to be derogative in your uniform, do not do it. And the friends who are videoing people doing certain things, be that bigger person to say no, stop doing that, pay attention in class. So guys, bye.